Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Take Wisdom, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add background image on your Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start the video. First of all, open your PowerPoint presentation, and now all you have to do is right click on the slide option and go to format background. Click it, and after that you can see picture or texture fill. Just click that option, and here you can see picture source. Click the insert option, and here you can see three different option. You can choose picture from your PC, or you can also import it from the browser and also import it from the drive. So I'm going to choose this from the PC. After that, all I have to do is select the picture that I want to insert, and just click it, double click it, and your picture is inserted. You can also change the transparency level by sliding this bar up and down. So in this way you can easily add your image on your Microsoft PowerPoint. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.